Okay, you just paid me $14,000 to join my exclusive Zach wholesaling coaching program, and I need to get you to 5 deals per month in under a year. You already gave me 15 grand. You ain't getting a dime of that money ever again because you joined my coaching call, you booked an appointment with my team, and now you're out 15 grand because I got you excited, got your mom's credit card. Now you're in the Zach inner circle. Now, I need to go out here and get you 5 wholesale deals a month and get you from nothing to that in under a year. What am I gonna do? What am I gonna do to teach you how to do this? Well, because I'm not a certified wholesale coach, trapper, scam artist type guy, I actually am gonna show you some real game. Now, between you and me, I don't sell coaching, I don't charge for coaching, so I'm gonna give you this all for free, but I'm gonna pretend that you gave me 15 racks. Now, 15 racks, I spend more on spilled liquor and alligator boots on my private jet when I'm going to Costa Rica 3 times a day than 15 little dollars, okay? I gave $15,000 to my caddy today when I was playing my 18 rounds of golf at Augusta because I own the place, all right? 15 grand is nothing to me. But let's say you gave me $15,000, I'm gonna teach you how to wholesale real estate. We're gonna go from month 1 all the way to 12, how to get your first wholesale deal all the way to 5 deals a month. Now, let's go to month 1 here. You're just getting started. You're just like this little wholesaling baby. You say, Zach, you're so rich, you're so successful. How do I get to your point? How do I get there? Now, the truth is most people struggle so bad to just get their first wholesaling deal because they lack one thing, and that's consistent marketing. People who know you will talk to you about selling their house. If nobody knows who you are, no one's gonna write a contract with you. I mean, this is just simple math. If nobody knows you buy houses, no one's gonna sell you their deal to you. So you gotta let people know who you are. How do you do it? Well, you're broke. You ain't got many options. You're gonna call, text, or put sticky notes on doors. That's pretty much all you got when you're broke. So the best way, if you're brand new, you gave me 15 grand, I'm gonna tell you this. Simple, easy. I'm gonna make you do 100 cold calls a day. Pretty simple. Now, I know that doesn't sound fun and exciting, but most people can't get to this point. And I kind of want you out of my hair. Like, I want your 15 grand. I don't actually want to coach you. So for most people, I just tell them to do that and they won't even hit that. So like, now you're gonna sit on my private jet and, fly to Bali or something. But the thing is, all jokes aside, most people can't even get to this point. This is why when you run a coaching program, it's pretty dang easy, right? Because like, make the 100 calls and when you get that done, go talk to me. And you won't hear from people for 6 or 7 months because they just struggle to make those 100 calls. Because they don't really look at the math. If you're struggling to make 100 calls a day, that's legitimately, people think 100 calls a day is absolutely impossible. What that really comes down to is maybe 20 calls an hour for 5 hours, even less if you can call more per hour. But ultimately it comes down to like 3 hours of work. And now here's the thing about 3 hours of work. You'll spend probably 5 hours on your phone scrolling on TikTok and watching Kylie Jenner videos when you could just be out here calling motivated sellers and getting deals done. So you just got to do the work. Show up every single day. Don't have some crazy foo-foo routine where you gotta do your 3 stretches and tell yourself you're the man today. Just go out here and start dialing. It's the same thing about going to the gym. The hardest part about going to the gym is going to the gym. The hardest part about working out and showing up every single day is just going inside the gym. Once you're in the gym, once you're in there, then you're gonna start working out. But the problem is just showing up there is the hard part for most people. So month 1 is all about learning that hustle muscle, getting your brain used to doing the work that you don't want to do, even though you don't want to do it. So you don't want to do the work, but you end up doing it anyway. Once you start training your body to do this, you get better and better. It's like starting a marathon. We're gonna start running a mile a day, then 2 miles a day, then 3 miles a day, and then 4, and we start ramping this sucker up. But once you start making 100 calls a day, I'll be honest with you, if you just stick to free lists, remember I took 15 grand so you have no more money left. Again, I need to pay for my jet. So I would stick to just government lists starting out, okay? Probates, code violations, pre-foreclosures. Honestly, I teach this all in my free wholesaling course, freewholesaling.com. That's where you'll learn pretty much anything from A to Z, how to get started in wholesaling real estate. Then starting in month 2, you're gonna be making about 100 calls a day, 50-50 to get your first deal doing that. You probably need a little more volume to get your first deal, especially in this market for wholesaling. But honestly, you're gonna be well on your way to start finding motivated sellers that wanna sell their property. Now going here to month 2, you're gonna start investing in the business. You probably maybe got your first deal, you're really close to your first deal. You're gonna start putting money in the business. Now I'm not asking for $500, $1,000, $200, $300 a month budget at most. Remember, this is after you start getting a little bit of traction. Probably we're gonna focus on keeping this until you get your first deal. I don't think it's too much to ask here. But starting in month 2, we're gonna start ramping up our marketing, which means we're gonna be doing 300 calls a day. And we're gonna also do 2,000 SMS text blasts a day. Now, the software that I recommend to use this for, which is actually the cheapest and the highest quality, shocker, is XLeads. So XLeads is the best software for this. So you're gonna do 2,000 texts a day and 300 calls a day. Cool thing is XLeads has a built-in auto dialer in it. So to check it out, just go to xleads.com. Now, if you wanna know what the cost of a system like this, of having a full auto dialer going out here and a full auto texting service, it's probably gonna end up costing you around a shocking $20 a day. So if you're gonna send 60,000 text messages a month, $20 a day or about $600 a month. Now, if you only did, let's say 1,000 texts a day, you could probably cut that in half, and really depends. Your budget's 600 a month, fine, but you can make it about 300 a month, depending on how much you want to do it. Then the auto dialer is probably going to cost you around $41 a month, include the phone numbers. So roughly with a system like this, you're probably at $300 to $500, depending on how many texts. You can do less text, more. Really depends on your budget, but $300 to $500 is going to give you a full-time auto dialer, 20 to 30 to 60,000 texts a month, which I think is absolutely kind of crazy. And you now have a fully built out system for solo wholesaling real estate. Now the point here is you're probably going to be able to get to at least 1 deal a month with doing this. Which isn't something to scoff at. Remember, if you can collect $20,000 a month in assignment fees while they're only spending $500, it's a pretty dang good deal. Now, what do we do on month 3 to bring it to 2 deals a month? Well, month 3 is pretty simple. All we're gonna do is we're gonna do this, right? So we're gonna do month 2. Then we're gonna go out here and buy 25 XLeads PPL leads. So XLeads has its own PPL section. And the coolest part about it is you get leads for $24 a lead. That's why XLeads PPL is the best. Costs about $24 a lead you can buy from the XLeads section on the PPL. It's the cheapest price to get anywhere. I mean, the other cheapest one's like $29 a lead, but XLeads has PPL leads for $24 a lead. We have a special partnership with iSpeed Lead where we have the best discount possible. So even if they raise the prices, we're always gonna have a special pricing on there. And that is how we win the game here. So all you do is about add an extra 25 XLeads PPL leads. That's gonna now push you to about 2 deals per month. And you're having a pretty dang good system. Remember, you're sending out maybe 60,000 texts a month. You're calling a stupid amount of people on your dialer, and you're buying PPL leads. Now you're cranking a system where you're getting a ton of offers done and a ton of deals. It might be like, okay, Zach, whoa, we're pushing pretty hard here. And that's kind of the point. We're trying to push the volume. We're trying to get you at Zach levels of wealth. So after that, you're gonna be hitting about month 3 to 6, where all you're basically doing is what I'm calling collecting data. I know this sounds like you're doing nothing, but you're doing a lot, right? You're doing more of what's working and you're doing less of what doesn't work. So a good example of this is you're doing the zip codes that work, you're eliminating the channels that don't work. So you're gonna be doing a lot of experimenting here. So for example, at this point you should be at like 8 or 9 deals you've done, maybe even 12. So the reasoning and the rationale behind this, and that's why it works so well, is if you do 10 deals in your market, you're gonna find out that of those 10, probably 6 or 7 of them are only in 2 zip codes, which is like, wait, I'm getting most of my deals from only 2 zip codes? That's weird. Well, that's how real estate works. Most real estate investors only buy in a very small specific areas in a city. And these are areas that have a lot of starter homes, are good for investing, rentals, flipping, things like that, the hottest areas. Now, I teach in Wholesaling.com how to use the AI to find these areas. But the really cool part you can do is just look at your data. If all your buyers are only buying really on these specific markets, then we know, hey, we need to add more lists, right? Maybe we pull a list from X leads and push the volume more and only go after the zip codes that are working well, and we get rid of the channels that don't. So for example, if you've tried texting, it just doesn't work, right? You've done 10 deals, you've got 1 deal from texting and 11 deals from calling. You probably need to stop texting and do more calling. Again, everybody's wholesaling system is way different. I know people that they only do PPL because they've done all the channels and PPL is the only one that works. And I got people that put 10 grand in PPL and it just does not work, right? It works for some people, it doesn't work for some, right? You got to do more of what's working and less that is not working, and just keep pushing your strengths while you can, while increasing your volume. And this is really where month 6 to 9 comes in. Nice number. But month 6 to 9, yes, this was on purpose. I do it for the culture, I do it for the memes. Your main goal here is you've collected all the data, you know how to do this all solo, you're gonna start hiring virtual assistants and VAs, and all they're gonna do is take the legwork off for you, right? They're gonna be handling the calls, they're gonna be handling the texts, and you're gonna hire enough VAs where you can handle a 3 times volume increase. So if you go start pulling all the high equity lists, right? Everything above 60% equity in your county, you're gonna be like, well, I don't have enough callers to go call these leads. Well, the point is you need to get enough callers texting and calling for it to financially make sense. Now, the truth about this is you need to be at least 2 deals a month to even make this financially work, because it is a lot of work training these VAs. And the point is you can't train them on systems that work if you're actually not making money. This is why it takes all the way to this point to start hiring VAs for calling and texting. So I get people to say, Zach, should I call or should I text with VAs or should I do it solo? It's like, bro, you need to learn how to do this stuff first and then teach people what you've learned, because the way that you're having success cannot be replicated. That's why I don't really like VA agencies. Do it yourself, you'll find the deals. Now that you're pushing volume, month 9 through 12, you're gonna be hiring out crazy. You're gonna start looking at scaling your acquisitions and your dispositions. This is like a deal a week. But the main point is you're now at 5 deals a month. You need to start looking at scaling your acquisitions, your dispositions, and then maybe even getting like a COO or an operations person in the business to really start expanding everything. Maybe getting flipping, maybe getting direct mail right. That's kind of the next progressions here to go from 10 deals a month. But honestly, 5 deals a month, look how beautiful this thing is. You gave me 15 grand, now you're running a beautiful business. Go out here and give me a testimonial and we call it even. Guys, there's people I have taught how to do this completely for free, and you see them all on freewholesaling.com. You see them all on my Discord, because I teach wholesaling for free and I've helped a lot of people hit systems that absolutely get them results. Now, starting from the beginning, month 1, you now have 100 calls a day. That's what you're doing starting out. You're gonna push about 3 hours a day for calling. You're gonna eliminate all your stupid screen time, and you're gonna get your first deal doing this. You're gonna pull government lists, probates, code violations, pre-foreclosures. You go to freewholesaling.com, learn how to skip trace, learn how to get their phone numbers, and start smiling, dialing, getting deals. Now, on month 2, we're gonna start ramping things up, right? We got our first deal, we can start investing in systems. We're gonna get xleads.com. We're gonna go to xleads and go there. Right here, xleads. I didn't know they covered it up to light. You go to xleads.com, now you're slowly getting 1 deal a month. It's gonna cost you between $300 to $500 a month doing this. Then on month 3, you're gonna do everything you do in month 2, but you're gonna add about 25 X leads, PPL leads a month. That's gonna be an extra like $600 in ad spend right there just on PPL leads, but honestly, it's worth it. Get a good ROI on that. You can make 15, 20 grand off of 600 bucks. That's amazing. Then you're gonna start kind of not like just coasting, but you're gonna start getting data and figuring out what's working, what's not working. Go harder on your strengths and lower on your weaknesses, and you're gonna end up actually getting more deals from this. Then from there, you hire VAs and you start pushing the volume on everything that's working, less than what's not working, and you're gonna be focusing on the calls and texts. Then from there, you're gonna be at 5 deals a month. You're gonna push your acquisitions, your dispositions, get your COO in place, and boom, you're running a legit wholesaling operation. So guys, if you want to learn more about how to scale a wholesaling business or start from your first deal all the way to how do I get to 100 grand a month, do me a favor, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe, go to freewholesaling.com, a free real estate wholesaling course, and I'll see you soon. This is Zach signing out. Have a blessed one.